Have you been wondering how to import goods from China? How to run a successful mini importation business right here in Nigeria? Well, in this video, we're going to break that all down so you know exactly how to import goods from China right from your own sitting room. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to tell you all the nooks and crannies of mini importation. So if you like videos like this, do well to subscribe to our channel, like our videos. YouTube notifies you the moment you post a video. That is why you should turn on your notification bell. You stand a chance for a weekly shout out if you subscribe right away. Mini importation is purely buying and selling of goods and is one of the cheapest businesses you can start with as low as 50,000 naira. Goods are purchased from overseas in bulk and sold to make profits in Nigeria. Since Nigerians trust imported goods, this is a ready advantage for you. You already have a market. Now, what do you need to start? You need your own personal computer or smartphone. You need a reliable internet connection. You need a valid address where your goods can be delivered to, a valid email address, a valid ATM card, a valid ID card, and a startup capital. Now, how do you know the products to import? You need to go and research fast-moving products in Nigeria. I mean, products in high demand. I cannot talk about that in this video because to make it too long, but in another video we'll talk about the kind of products to import to Nigeria because there are laws and licensing bodies that regulate importation business in Nigeria, and you definitely don't want your goods to be illegal or contraband. We'll also discuss the products that are in high demand and very profitable for mini importation business. You need a registered business. And after that, you go online to find a supplier. We can find supplier on marketplaces like 1688.com, dhgate.com, alibaba.com, aliexpress.com. But of all these that I mentioned, you still find 1688.com as the cheapest of these sites. Although their website is written in Chinese, it can be translated to English. Though I said 1688 is the cheapest of these websites, you still need to make your own research to know the site you're comfortable with. That is why you must check the reviews, the ratings, and the feedbacks of these websites before choosing the one you like to stick with. Then you open an account with them. The next step is to order your items from the comfort of your living room. Before ordering any product, check the reviews on that particular product. Click the product, scroll down to see the reviews, the description, and the method for delivery. Most importantly, check seller's guarantee on that product. If you are using a logistic company, you don't need to bother on method for delivery, but if you are ordering it directly, you need to bother on that very much. Now, there are so many choices to make and it can be confusing. I mean, if you get to this site, you see shoes, bags, wares, electronics, blah, blah, blah. Which one do you make? That is why you should determine your target market first before going into the website, so that you will not go and order clothes when you know the target market is for shoes. After making order, how do you make payments for your goods? Some suppliers accept ATM cards, bank transfers, while others accept Payoneer, PayPal, Alipay, or logistic companies. These logistic companies or agents is another way that has been working for the importers. I had a training for importation 3 to 4 years ago, and I was registered with a group that provided this information. So if you feel that you cannot do mini importation on your own, I will advise you to join a reliable group where these informations will be shared. You will realize that everything I'm saying in this video is the process you're going to follow if you want to do it all by yourself. So, as I was saying, logistic companies do have offices in Nigeria. So if you want to use the logistic company to make payments, make sure that you know their office. Open an account on their own website as well. So when you pick an item that you are interested in, you will copy the link from the website you are purchasing from and paste that same link on their website. That way they will know the stock you want to order, so that if you want to make payment through them, they will not order the wrong stock for you. They know how to do this. It is their area of specialization, so you don't need to panic. They'll handle the payments for you. They'll track your order and ship your order right to Nigeria. All you need to do is to go and pick up for delivery. If you are not convenient with picking up on your own, you can tell them to send it to your address and you just get it at the comfort of your own home. There will be a commission for this. This people's commission isn't high up the roof. It is quite reasonable. So how long will these deliveries take? It takes between 3 days to 2 weeks for the logistics company. But if you are ordering directly from the site, for instance, you are using Alibaba or AliExpress or Amazon, you're going to give them about 4 days for premium and 20 to 30 days for direct shipping. Now, I'm going to give you a bonus for this video. I would advise you, if you're starting new, to start with importation groups. You know the reason? The reason is these importation groups are already experienced, but start with reliable one because some are scams. Just like some logistic companies are scams. If you go through a reliable importation group, they already have agents they use or logistic companies they use, and they have information on exchange rates, they have information on any little thing that you need, you can just ask them and somebody on the group will just tell you exactly how to do it or how to go about it. Also, some sites may tell you to have a minimum order of 50 or 100 pieces. Now you want to trade with 50,000 naira. You may not want to buy only shoes with 50,000 naira or a particular design with 50,000 naira. It doesn't make sense, right? So you copy the link and send to the group, or snap the picture and send it to the group and ask people if they are interested in buying that particular design. So you guys will share it. If for instance 50 is the minimum order and you want to buy just 10, other people may order 20, 40, 5, like that, and you will put your money together to buy that product. That is the essence of buying in group. That's why we say you can start with the minimum cash. Also, with the mini importation group, they will tell you the risks of the business, the things they've seen, the things they've been able to overcome in the course of running the business. You are going to know all this for a token, all because you joined that group. You will face minimal risk by joining the group. How do you sell off your goods? Of course, you've received these goods. So what do we do with them? You need to start advertising. You can advertise through handbills, through social media, referrals, one-on-one, Jumia, Konga, Gigi, whichever is suitable for you. Just tell people you are now importing goods. Snap pictures on WhatsApp. Have you seen my video on WhatsApp e-commerce? Do well to check that video out. It is also a website that you can use in selling your product conveniently. But if you want to run it all alone from your home, from the comfort of your living room, guys, I've given you all the details that you need. Just go right into it and start ordering and selling your items. And this week's shout out goes to Sir Wheels. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. We're happy to have you as part of our community. May you continue to soar high, grow in heights.